Welcome to today's class. Today we have an interesting question on the board. They say we should evaluate this question. This question is very simple. Don't think you are in primary school that this question is hard for you, because this question is a past question from Brain Sharpening Mathematics Competition, and it is actually basically for those in primary six. And if you're in secondary school, you will learn something from this. Having this question here, one thing you should know is this is from algebra. First thing is, if the powers are the same, if you have different variables, meaning let's have x raised to power 2 plus y raised to power 2, you can't add this. If you have the same variable, different powers, you can't still add this, but you can multiply them. You can multiply this. If you multiply this, you'll be having, if this is multiplication, you'll be having x raised to power 2 and y raised to power 2, which is still the same as x, y, all raised to power what? 2. You understand? But this, in addition, you can't add this. But in multiplication, what you do, if this is multiplication, since the variables are the same, you pick one of the variable and do what? If it is multiplication, you add the powers. You understand? Which will give us x raised to power what? 5. You understand? Then, but if the powers, if you have something like 2n times 2n raised to power 3 times n raised to power 2. Do you know what to do here? If it is multiplication, what you do is the coefficient times the coefficient, then you add the powers of the variables if the variables are the same. If the variables are not the same, you now bring the variables together. So the coefficient here is 1, 2 times 1 is 2, n times n, you just bring the n and add the powers, which will give us what? 2n, then you have raised to power what? 5. This is the answer to this question. With what I just said now let's solve the up one, which, because the powers are the same, you are free to add the coefficient, retaining just the power. So each of these numbers have the coefficient, which is 1, 1, 1. You understand? So now the powers are the same. You just add this plus this, which is 2. 2 plus this is 4. 4 plus this is 5. You have 5n raised to power 5, and that's the answer to this question. You understand? So do well to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.